Ever feel like your day is slipping away no matter how hard you work? The emails keep stacking up, meetings fill your calendar back to back, notifications pop up faster than you can clear them, and somehow, your to-do list only gets longer with each passing hour. Maybe you've caught yourself wishing for just a few more hours in the day, wondering how others seem to get so much done while you're constantly playing catch-up. The truth is, you can't make your day longer, but you can take back control of the hours you already have. Today, I'll show you 5 must-have time management tools that busy professionals around the world rely on to work smarter, reduce stress, and actually get more done in less time. In the next few minutes, you'll discover tools that can completely change the way you plan, work, and focus. These aren't just apps to fill your phone. They're productivity partners designed to help you conquer chaos and reclaim your schedule. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or just someone with a never-ending list of responsibilities, these tools can give you the edge you need to manage your time like a pro. Let's dive in, starting with the backbone of smart planning, Google Calendar. Google Calendar is far more than just a digital datebook. It's your command center for organizing time. At its core, Google Calendar lets you schedule events, set reminders, and keep track of tasks. But its real power comes from how seamlessly it integrates into your daily routine. Imagine opening your calendar every morning to a color-coded roadmap of your day. Red highlights urgent deadlines, blue marks time for learning and development. Yellow is reserved for personal appointments and self-care. Suddenly, that overwhelming day filled with a project deadline, a dentist appointment, and family dinner is mapped out clearly, making the balancing act feel manageable. With Google Calendar, you can set recurring events for weekly meetings, sync your schedule across all your devices, and share your calendar with teammates or family members so everyone stays on the same page. No more double booking or last-minute surprises. For the frequent traveler or remote worker, the ability to adjust for different time zones means you're always ahead of your schedule, not behind it. Don't forget the power of notifications. Set reminders before meetings, deadlines, or even breaks to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. A pro tip for maximizing Google Calendar is to use color coding to visually separate and prioritize your commitments. Assign a color for each category: work, learning, personal, family, and you'll instantly see where your time is going and where you need to adjust. It's not just about remembering what's next. It's about making conscious decisions on how you spend each hour. Next, we move to a tool that transforms your task list from a source of stress to a source of clarity: Todoist. Todoist isn't just another to-do list app. It's a powerful task manager that helps you bring order to chaos. With Todoist, you can create tasks, assign priorities, set due dates, and track your progress as you move through your day. The interface is simple and intuitive, but the features are robust enough for even the busiest professional. Best of all, Todoist integrates with Google Calendar, giving you a unified view of both your appointments and your tasks in one place. Here's where Todoist really shines: breaking big, intimidating projects into manageable steps. Instead of seeing a giant task like launch marketing campaign, you break it down into smaller actions. Write copy, design graphics, schedule posts, each with its own deadline and priority. This approach not only makes your workload seem less overwhelming, but also ensures that nothing gets missed along the way. A business owner using Todoist can instantly see the 3 tasks that absolutely must get done today, while less urgent items automatically move further down the list. The satisfaction of checking off tasks as you complete them provides a psychological boost and keeps motivation high. Todoist also offers productivity analytics, showing you patterns in how you work and helping you make adjustments for even greater efficiency. The pro tip here is to always break big projects into smaller, actionable tasks. Not only does this simplify planning, but it makes progress tangible and achievable, turning your to-do list into a series of wins rather than a never-ending grind. Now, let's talk about a tool designed for visual thinkers and team collaboration: Trello. Trello is the ultimate visual project management app. Instead of traditional lists, Trello uses boards, lists, and cards to represent tasks and projects. Each card can be moved from one list to another, like to do, doing, and done, so you can visually track progress from start to finish. For anyone who learns or organizes best by seeing things laid out, Trello can be a game changer. Imagine a team working on an app launch. One shared board tracks everything: coding tasks, design updates, marketing deadlines, and bug fixes. Each team member can update their cards, add checklists, attach files, and leave comments, eliminating the endless email threads and confusion that come with traditional project management. The board updates in real time, so everyone knows exactly where things stand, what needs attention, and who's responsible for each task. Trello's flexibility makes it perfect for both personal and professional projects. Use labels to color-code tasks by priority or department, and add checklists within cards to break down complex tasks into smaller steps. For recurring processes, template boards save time and ensure consistency. The pro tip for Trello is to use labels and checklists for maximum clarity. Labels help you prioritize at a glance, while checklists within cards turn big tasks into a series of simple actions. Whether you're managing a team or just keeping your own projects on track, Trello keeps everything visible and organized, reducing stress and boosting efficiency. Moving on, we come to Notion, an all-in-one digital workspace that combines notes, databases, planners, and more in a single platform. Notion is like having a digital brain, a place where you can store meeting notes, build a personal wiki, track habits, manage projects, and keep all your information organized and accessible. The beauty of Notion is its flexibility. You can customize pages, databases, and templates to fit exactly how you work, turning the app into whatever you need it to be. For a content creator, Notion might serve as a central hub for their entire content calendar, planning blog posts, managing research, and tracking deadlines all in one place. Instead of juggling 3 different apps for notes, calendars, and tasks, Notion brings everything together. For teams, collaborative editing makes it easy to share knowledge and updates in real time. One of the most powerful features in Notion is the ability to create a weekly dashboard, a customized page that displays your top priorities, daily tasks, and a habit tracker, so you always know where to focus your energy. Templates make it simple to set up recurring processes and workflows, while databases keep your information organized and searchable. The pro tip for Notion is to build a weekly dashboard that puts your priorities front and center. By having your main goals, tasks, and habits in one place, you eliminate the need to switch between multiple apps and keep everything streamlined. Notion's flexibility means you can adapt your workspace as your needs evolve, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who wants to keep their digital life organized. Finally, let's address the challenge of maintaining deep focus in a world full of distractions with Focus at Will. Focus at Will is a unique tool that uses scientifically designed music to boost concentration and block out distractions. Unlike regular playlists, Focus at Will's music is optimized to increase attention span and help you enter a flow state, where productivity and creativity soar. Picture a lawyer preparing for a big court case. With Focus at Will playing in the background, they're able to work for hours at a time without losing mental sharpness, tuning out the noise of emails, phone calls, and office chatter. The app lets you choose music tailored to your personality and work style, ensuring the soundtrack supports, rather than distracts, your focus. The key to using Focus at Will effectively is to work in focused sessions, typically 50 minutes of deep work, followed by a 10-minute break. This rhythm harnesses your brain's natural concentration cycles, preventing burnout and maximizing productivity. The pro tip here is to use Focus at Will in timed sessions. Set a timer for 50 minutes, immerse yourself in your work with the music playing, then take a short break. This method not only helps you get more done, but also makes working feel less like a grind and more like a rewarding challenge. Now, let's talk about how to combine these tools for maximum impact. A workflow that transforms busy days into productive ones. Start by planning your week in Google Calendar. Block out time for meetings, deadlines, personal commitments, and downtime. using color coding to visualize your priorities. Next, break down each day's work in Todoist, listing tasks by importance and deadline, and splitting big projects into smaller, manageable actions. For larger projects or team collaboration, track progress in Trello. Assign cards, update checklists, and move tasks through stages so everyone knows what needs to be done and by whom. Store important notes, resources, and dashboards in Notion, creating a central reference point for all your information. Finally, when it's time to focus, use Focus at Will to block out distractions and work in deep, productive sessions. This combination of planning, task management, project tracking, information storage, and focused work creates a personal system that functions like a high-performing assistant, one that never forgets, never gets tired, and is always working to help you stay on track. When you integrate these 5 tools, you're not just using technology. You're building a workflow that maximizes your strengths, supports your goals, and helps you get more done in less time. You'll find that your days are less chaotic, your stress levels drop, and your productivity soars. The best part? These tools are accessible, easy to set up, and adaptable to your unique work style. So, if you're ready to take control of your time and finally see real results, start by exploring Google Calendar, Todoist, Trello, Notion, and Focus at Will. Experiment with them, customize your workflow, and discover which features make the biggest difference for you. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most, in the smartest way possible. Take the first step today, and watch as your busy life transforms into one that's organized, focused, and fulfilling. With these must-have time management tools, you'll get more done in less time, and finally have space for what really matters.